Last week, Mustafa Guy Lul called for a ceasefire between armed groups following heavy fighting in the area. He stated that rival forces loyal to leaders of Kitgwang splinter groups, General Simon Gatwich Dual and General Johnson Alani, have been engaged in fierce fighting leading to civilian casualties. Commissioner Lul told iRadio on Monday that the calm has returned to the Tunga area after the withdrawal of Gatwich forces toward Fangak on the western bank of the Nile. Currently, the situation is calm, there is no problem since the fighting that happened some days back, and the civilians have returned to their homes doing their normal life, said Lul. Forces withdraw, they went to the western bank of the Nile toward the north of Fangak. Right now, they are very far from the town, while the Agalek forces are in Tanja, so there is no engagement between the two forces anymore. The leaders of the SPLMIO splinter group, Simon Gatwich and Johnson Alani, had fallen out early this year after signing an agreement with the government in Sudan. In June, the SPLMIG and the holdout Kitgwang Agalek forces said they have started implementing the security arrangements. However, General Gatwich, the former SPLA-IO Kitgwang leader, expressed doubts over the process.